So the S8 has taken an embarrassingly long time to get back on the road. And initially, I mean, when it was crashed, it was in the fall, so we had the winter break here in Minnesota, which is substantial. And then we got to repairing it, and at this point, it needs a few just minor tweaks, and I need to throw the front bumper back on. It's fully assembled, it's just in the basement, and I left it off simply because I thought it would be easier for the people to paint that way. But I've been I couldn't get this thing registered. If you follow the saga of this car, I still haven't done that, but I'm gonna send this thing to get painted. So it's gonna get all done, ready to go. And I think at that point, when I have a fully functional car just sitting here, it's going to be kind of burning a hole in my head to get this thing re-registered. So that's my plan, and hopefully this thing will disappear in the next couple weeks. And I'm not sure how long it'll take to get the paintwork done exactly, but watch for the triumphant return of the S8 soon. I really need to get it on the road because it's got some pretty old gas in it. I've been starting this and letting it run for quite a while, trying to burn it off, and it's surprisingly fuel efficient at idle, darn it. But anyhow, hopefully that one comes back soon. Back to these. Like I said, this one's going to go to the winter storage, so I got to change the oil. Summer wheels and tires from my wife's car. Already put the snows on, just out of convenience for time. I have to get these cleaned up in the bag and back on the rack, so that's what I'm going to work on now, along with the coolant overflow. Just the typical Saturday catch up on stuff kind of thing, but we'll be back soon. There's more to do, obviously. There's always more to do, so we'll see you next time.